Hey y'all, today for supper we are having Jennie-O taco seasoned fresh turkey sausage. I've never had it before. I'm going to try it. Smells good. We'll find out. I'm going to fry it up. I hope my husband likes it. It smells good. It smells like taco season. My dog likes the way it smells too. It smells good, y'all. While that's cooking, I'm going to cut up some avocado. This is the way I do my avocado. I'm cutting it. It's so dangerous. I don't do the scooping out. I slice it. Then I peel it. So much easier. For me. Then, if I want to dice it up, I dice it up. Or if I want to mash it, I'll put it in a bowl and mash it up for avocado toast. All right. That's ready to go. This is cooking right along. It's a little greasy, but it's just the season, I guess. I put some olive oil in my pan. I'll turn the heat up a little bit more. I hope this is good because I would buy it again. Easy meal. I have some tomatoes diced up. I got my wrap ready to go. Some cheese. I'll probably melt it a little bit in the microwave, the cheese. I'm going to let this cook up. I'm going to bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm finishing this up. I'm going to say this is about done. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't tell if it's done or not. So I just cooked it about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. Because it is ground. I melted me some cheese on a tortilla. We're getting ready to try this out. Avocado. Tomato. It smells done, so it's probably done. Some sour cream. Two big dollops. Okay, y'all. try it. That's really good. It's got just a little bit of a little heat to it, not much. Good taco flavor. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.